Once there lived a king and a queen. The king wished to go out in the world and try his strength battling with the other kings. So he called his ministers and ordered them to get the army ready to march towards a far off country where a heathen king ruled who was cruel and ill treated everyone. The king bade his wife a loving goodbye and set off with his army across the seas. Finally, he reached the country of the heathen king. He defeated anyone who came on his way. The king came to a mountain pass where a large army was waiting for him. The king was defeated and made a prisoner. He was taken to the prison where the heathen king kept all his captives. 3 years passed and the king could not send any news about his whereabouts to the queen. Finally, he found the way to send the letter. The queen receives the letter. The queen received the letter and read it. Sell all our castles and palaces, take out all the treasure and come and let me out of this terrible prison. She started crying. The queen thought for a while and at last an idea clicked her. She cut off all her beautiful long hair and dressed herself in man's clothes. She did not tell anyone anything. The queen took her lute and went to the kingdom of the heathen king. She went into the court in front of the palace and began playing her lute and singing along. The heathen king heard her sad song and was touched. He ordered that the singer be brought before him. "Welcome, lute player. Where do you come from?" asked the heathen king. The queen replied that her country was far away. For years she had been wandering. The heathen king asked her to stay in his kingdom for a few days. When she wished to leave, the heathen king would give her whatever she asked for. The queen reaches home before the king. Now, the lute player started living in the palace. After a few days, the lute player came to take leave of the heathen king. As promised, the heathen king asked her what she desired as a reward. "Give me one of your prisoners," the lute player replied. "Come along," said the heathen king. "Choose whom you will." And he took her through the prison himself. The queen chose her husband and took him with her back to their own kingdom. It was a long journey, but still the king never found out that the lute player was in reality his wife. When they reached the border, the king said, "Let me go now. I am not a common prisoner, but the king of this country. Come with me, dear, and I will reward you." "I will be at your palace when the right time comes," replied the lute player. They parted. The queen took a shortcut and reached home well before the king. Nobody knew about it. Quickly, she took off her clothes and got into her real clothes. The lute player. After an hour, the people of the kingdom were running here and there, crying, "Our king has come back." The king greeted all of them very kind-heartedly. Thereafter, the king assembled all his ministers. He asked them to judge his faithless wife, who did not come to rescue him even after reading his letter. When the king was busy with his ministers, the queen sneaked out and disguised herself. She took her lute and slipped back into the court. She sang the same sweet song in front of everyone gathered. As soon as the king heard this song, he ran out to meet the lute player. The king held his hand and took him to the palace. He presented the boy in front of everyone and said that it was this boy who released him from the prison. The lute player threw off the cloak and revealed his true self. Everyone was shocked to see the queen. The king was delighted and gave a big feast in his queen's honor.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.